Welcome to another exciting episode of Flash Flood Fun Avalanche 3. So who's the victim today of this massive avalanche?
The construction site.
A construction site?
The monster trucks and the trucks is pulling.
Really? Well, let's go check it out.
Police and tractor.
Well, let's go check it out.
And right by it.
Well, let's go check it out. Get over there and show me what it is. Emma, what do you got down there? Wow. I'd say you got a massive construction site. Got some tractors down there. We better get a closer look at this. Cleo, don't even think about it. Cleo, don't even think about, oh God. Fat Kong. Cleo, get out of there. Don't try to scare her out of there. Actually, don't. Go, dog. Mutt. All right, let's get a closer look here. Looks like we have a couple emergency vehicles on the site in case anybody gets hurt. What's the deal with this Mack truck, buddy? Why is that in the middle of a construction zone?
I tried to get through here, and then it started here because the engine has shut off.
Oh yeah, so it blew
So
in.
because it failed the engine.
The engine failed? Well, he might be in the wrong place at the wrong time. Looks like we got a bunch of guys down here trying to work on the road that got washed out.
Yeah.
We got a police officer making sure nobody speeds through the construction site.
Because he got pulled over.
And then we have a bunch of tractors over here. And then we got, what is this thing up here, a backhoe?
No, it's an excavator.
It's an excavator? Well, boy, you sure do know your construction vehicles. What's he doing on the hill?
He's removing the snow, and he doesn't know because the water can't move the snow.
Yeah, he doesn't realize that
Because the cold water, how did it remove the snow? I don't know that part.
Well, what he doesn't realize is all his action up here may just cause an avalanche. What do you think, buddy? Is it time to teach him a lesson?
Yeah, and the backhoe's putting in the back of that little truck.
Hey, what are you doing in there? Aren't you supposed to be out here filming an episode of Flash Flood Fun?
But I got cold.
I know it's cold. It's an avalanche edition. Of course it's going to be cold. Well, you better put your winter jacket on and get out here because we got some damage to do.
And this one is not a winter jacket.
I know. Well, you better bundle up and get out here because it's time to do some serious damage. Whoa, dude, is it starting to snow?
Yes.
Is that why you have an umbrella?
Yes.
What's the matter? Afraid you might get your hair wet?
I just don't like touching snow.
You don't like touching snow, but yet
Or
you're
getting wet on my head.
the host of a show called Flash Flood Fun Avalanche, and you don't like touching snow.
No.
That could be a conflict of interest right there or something.
I only like stepping in snow.
But you don't like touching it because it's cold.
Yes.
Well, guess how these poor people are about to feel, huh?
What?
How do you think these poor people are about to feel? Yeah,
Washed away.
Jack Frost is going to be nibbling more than their noses because this avalanche is coming, and it's coming quick. It's a lot of water. Be careful. Oh, my God. Holy cow. Oh, no. Here comes Cleo. Get out of here, dog. Oh, my goodness. That was a serious avalanche, buddy. Look at all the damage that did.
The sign stayed up.
I know the sign stayed up, but everything else got wiped right out. Cleo! Bring back that cement truck. Give me that cement truck. Come on, the poor guy's trying to make a living. Oh, he's not in there, buddy. He must have got washed away.
And what?
What?
The cement makes it survive the flood, but not the pug.
Not the pug. Well, let's go see who else survived this avalanche.
Eagle.
An eagle? Well, of course, because he flies. He's not even on the ground. He probably got a good view of it.
Look at, here comes the sun now.
Here we go. Looks like the fireman got tossed around a little bit, but I don't know. They might be okay down there. This fire truck, he got pushed out of the way. You might as well forget the cargo that was on that piece of junk Mack truck that broke down in the wrong place at the wrong time. We got some, what do we got? What is that thing? You might want to turn him around and see if he can get out of here. The monster truck, you got to turn the power on, bud. Think you can make it? Let him go. Oh, there he is. He made it. Yeah.
I'm out of here.
Awesome. He did. He said, I'm out of here. No flash flood. It's going to wreck my monster truck. Cleo. What do you mean, watch it go over the edge? It's not going to go over the edge. Not enough power. All right, looks like these guys got off work early, obviously. Everything, it's just a mess. Oh, no. The poor guy in the excavator, he looks like he bought the farm, buddy. Oh, what a tragedy. Hey, look. Looks like you got another monster truck down here, bud.
It works.
Right here. Well, let's see if this works. This monster truck. His escalator still works. Till Cleo gets a hold. Get away from there, Cleo. Let's see. What do we got? Is he going? He's out of here. These monster trucks are cool. Look, he survived the Hey! Cleo, no! Get away from it.
There's two of them.
Yeah, Cleo. Looks like we got backup. What are you going to do? Hey, Cleo, enough. Enough. Stay away from them guys.
Two of them.
They're avalanche survivors. Hey, Cleo! Oh, my God! Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Flash Flood Fun. Until next time, Blake, don't get wet or get attacked by Cleo. Come on, Cleo. Hand it over. Blake, are you going to try to help that guy out or not?
It's broken.
What?
It doesn't work.
Doesn't work because you got a dog attacking it every 10 minutes and it just went through an avalanche. What do you expect?
That works.
Pitiful.